In this video, I'll show you how to right-align text in Microsoft Word. Right alignment is useful for formatting headings, dates, or specific sections of your document. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word document and select the text you want to right-align. If you want to apply it to new text, simply place your cursor where you'll start typing. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. In the paragraph group, click the Align Right icon. Your selected text will immediately move to the right side of the page. You can also use a keyboard shortcut. Select the text and press Ctrl+R on your keyboard to right-align it instantly. To return the text to its normal position, click Align Left or use the Ctrl+L shortcut. And that's it. You've successfully right-aligned text in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.